Hare Krishna, glories to Srila Prabhupada. I'm making this video to invite you to an upcoming course we're doing on humility, and that's going to be the last weekend of January and the first weekend of February. It's not going to be 2 weekends, but it's going to be the same course each weekend, giving you an opportunity at different time slots to attend depending on where you live. Why am I doing this course? Well, I've taught this course over the years live, and I have seen a lot of transformation that goes on when we try to apply more humility into our lives, because we start to realize how humble we are not and how much maybe we have resistance to humility. It's scary, just like the word surrender can be scary. The word humility can be scary, but humility, according to our philosophy, and we'll learn this, is fundamental to our practice of Krishna consciousness. It's everything, actually. It's the way to become Krishna conscious, and it's the symptom of one who is Krishna consciousness. And Prabhupada said without it, we can't become Krishna conscious. So therefore, I believe this course is essentially important. One of my main goals in this course is to help the students develop an attraction for humility, to look at humility as something beautiful, something that I would want to possess more and more of in my life. Not to be afraid of it, not to reject it or resist it, but embrace it, and that is necessary. It can be extremely transformational if we can develop this consciousness, and it can make a huge difference in our spiritual life. So I would love to see you there. I think it's worth the time. It's not much time. It's 3.5 hours on Saturday, 3.5 hours on Sunday. The cost is minimal, but the benefit will be huge. Hare Krishna.